Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Prius hybrid battery, full guide. Begin by placing the car in park, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the 12V battery to remove power. Use insulated tools and gloves when accessing the inverter and traction battery. Always follow manufacturer torque specs and label connector locations for reassembly. If unsure, stop and consult a professional to avoid injury or costly damage. Prepare all tools and parts before lifting the vehicle. You will need a torque wrench, insulated hand tools, and a safe way to support the car. Order the correct replacement battery pack or modules matched to your VIN to ensure compatibility. Keep replacement bolts and seals on hand and label electrical connectors to speed reassembly. Working organized reduces errors and helps you finish the job safely and efficiently. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes setting timers and voice commands easy while you wrench on your Prius, and it sounds great near your workbench. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Disconnect all high-voltage connectors following the service manual sequence and discharge procedures. Support the battery pack with a hoist or jack before removing mounting bolts to prevent dropping the unit. Transfer any sensors or brackets to the new pack and tighten bolts to the specified torque values. Reconnect electrical connectors in the reverse order, reconnect the 12V battery, and Perform System checks to confirm the hybrid system is operational and free of fault codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.